When the Swiss watch industry was having problems, Elmar Mock reinvented the wristwatch. He came up with the Swatch. The special trick was the use of a new material for a watch, plastic. The idea, having fewer separate components, would make the whole thing cheaper. With his colleague Jacques Müller, he set to work. Müller had the watchmaking expertise, while engineer Mock was skilled in plastics processing and ultrasonic welding. To achieve the objective, new technologies had to be introduced, to minimize work stages and to create far more complex forms. In other words, we used plastic to make not only the movement, but also the case. That way, the quality was sharply increased and the price sharply reduced. The development work at the watch company ITA was top secret. The two inventors melted and combined watch components. The result, a timepiece made of just 51 parts, instead of around double that amount. But the cheap watch wasn't immediately popular. Everyone was against it. They said it was a promotional item at best, and that surely no Swiss product could ever be made of plastic. What a cheap watch, they said. And they also believed that a watch that couldn't be repaired was a bad thing. There again, if it can't be repaired, then its quality has to be that much better. Countless designs were added, all fully in line with the trends of the 1980s.